Ever found yourself struggling to reach the roof of your Jeep, whether it's for cleaning off trail dust or strapping down some serious gear? This tiny gadget claims to solve that exact problem with surprising elegance, but does it really deliver? Let's dive into the HOZHEM door hinge step. Right out of the box, the first thing that strikes you is the vibrant red color. It's not just a functional piece. It's designed to add a stylish flair, making your Jeep stand out from the crowd. And honestly, it does. The manufacturer, HOZHEM, clearly put thought into both form and function here. This isn't some flimsy add-on. It's crafted from premium aluminum alloy, giving it a sturdy, durable feel that immediately inspires confidence. You can tell it's built for the long haul, ready to withstand the elements and the rigors of off-road life without rusting or failing. The primary purpose, of course, is to give you that crucial extra step up. And it excels at this. Attaching directly to your factory outer door hinge, installation is a breeze, a direct bolt-on affair with no drilling, cutting, or welding required. That's a huge win for anyone who prefers simple, non-invasive upgrades. Once installed, it provides a solid, secure platform, making roof access for cleaning, loading kayaks, or securing cargo incredibly easy. No more awkward stretches or balancing acts. What's particularly clever is its foldable design. When you're not using it, the step tucks away neatly, preventing any accidental scratches or damage to your doors, and keeping it safely out of the way. It's a thoughtful touch that speaks to practical, everyday usability. And then there's the little bonus feature, a built-in bottle opener. It might seem small, but for anyone who enjoys outdoor camping or tailgating, having a convenient way to pop open a cold drink right there on your Jeep is just brilliant. It's those small, unexpected conveniences that truly enhance the experience. Fitment is quite broad, covering 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU models, as well as 2018 to 2023 JL and JLU Wranglers, and even the 2018 to 2023 Gladiator JT. Just a quick note, it won't fit the 2021 Gladiator, so double-check your specific model year. Overall, this HOZHEM door hinge step is a fantastic addition for any Jeep owner. It's a cost-effective solution that brings significant utility, a touch of style, and even a fun little extra. It feels like a genuine upgrade that you'll wonder how you ever lived without.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.